because some people don't recognize the difference between the ads and the search results.
Ads or paid?
Paid, yeah, paid, right? So like, for example, if you do coding, if you do, look, in Austin, people pay to use our name in SEO. So, look, cost per click on Austin Coding Academy is $3.28. So people are paying to use it, and the ads aren't showing up right now. Maybe if I went to incognito.
What's that plugin you have?
Yeah.
I don't know. The ads aren't showing up for whatever reason, but the point is that if you go here, you'll see other coding boot camps that pop up as an ad to try to steal people from Office ads. So we had to pay for an ad for our own name. Isn't that hilarious? Anyway, that's why the title is important. Okay, and that's called metadata. You can also put more stuff in here to make you more search engine friendly. If you wanted a link to an external style sheet for styling, you do that up here. If you want to put viewport data, all kinds of stuff can go in the head. Now, we're going to mainly focus on the body today because I want you to see the results of your labor. This is a beginning to coding class. So we are exactly 1 hour in, and we're in a great spot. What we're going to do now is we're going to create a website dedicated to ourselves. I want you to, in the H1, put your name. So in the H1, notice you have open caret, H1 close caret, your name, and then the same thing but with a slash in it. So this is called an open tag, and that's called a close tag. Everything must have an open and close tag. So put your name in the H1 and then put a P tag, and you can do it two ways. You can do open, close, P. It automates for me anyway. VS Code is amazing. Type P and press tab. And you have an open P tag and a closed P tag. P stands for paragraph. Now I want you to add a byline about yourself. Who are you? What's interesting about you? What do you love? What do you like to do? Alright, so I went ahead and did mine, you do yours. Alright. Alright, so put a tagline about yourself. Then I want you to go ahead and add an image. The way you do that is you press IMG and then tab. The source is to the URL of the image, and the alt is for screen readers, or if the image doesn't show up. So I'm going to put a picture of a unicorn. Once everyone gets here, give me your eyes so I can quickly show you two ways to find a picture. Alright, so first way to find a picture is to steal it off the internet. So you go to Facebook, and you can click on your profile picture, and you can right-click on it, and you can say, no, that's not it. You can copy image address if you right-click on it. So this is really uncomfortable to have this giant picture of my face on the screen, I'll tell you that. But if you right-click, kind of outside of this little box where it's asking you to tag yourself. This is really uncomfortable. I'm trying to get out of this as fast as possible. Copy image address, okay? So if I copy the image address and I put it for source, it's long and it's not pretty. It's not the best way to do it. but I'm able to put a picture of me on my website, linking off my Facebook. And to prove it, oh my God, it's really big picture of me again on this. I'm very comfortable with this. Now, that's one way to do it. So you can link to any picture online, as long as you find the address. It's not pretty. It's not the way to do it, because the thing is, if Facebook dies, if tomorrow Congress says, Zuckerberg, you're responsible for everything that you streamed on Facebook Live, we are closing you down. You are a nuisance to society. Facebook, you're shut down. Goodbye. Right? If that happened, then my picture would not work on my website anymore. Right? So the other way to get an image is to go to a website called Unsplash. Everyone go to Unsplash. unsplash.com. Unsplash.com. And Unsplash has free, beautiful photography for you to use on your website. And since mine is about unicorns, I'm going to find a picture of a unicorn for my... Oh yeah, this is awesome. Alright, I'm going to download it. Actually, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to do Save Image As. So I'm going to find the one that I want. Everyone found one they like? These are free, by the way, so you don't have to pay for them. You click Save Image As. Then what you want to do, you want to name it something simple like unicorn. And you want to put it inside of Learn. You want to save it inside of your project. Okay? Makes sense? So now, all of a sudden, instead of sourcing to a picture of me on Facebook that I don't really like, I do / and I find the unicorn picture that I put in there. I save it. Now, all of a sudden, ladies and gentlemen, my website is looking fantastic.
I'll hire you with that.
You'll hire me with that, right? This is hireable. Come on. Extra points for creativity. Real quick, I know you all are still sketching up on this picture. I will go around and help you all, but I want to explain what the next 10 minutes looks like. I want you to go onto your website, and I want you to add a H3 tag, and I want you to write hobbies. And I want you to list hobby 1, hobby 2, and all the hobbies that you love. And then I want you to do a little indentation so it kind of looks right. And then I want you to go to do another H3 and say work experience. And then I want you to go ahead and last or current job. Describe it. Why should I hire you? Because of your current job. Previous job. List as many as you have time for. And then finally, I'm unique because, and I want you to list out trait number 1, trait number 2. And basically fill this in about yourself. Get the image working. Fill this in about yourself. Save it. You have 10 minutes. And I'm happy to troubleshoot. Remember, after you do something, always save it. Come back and see if it worked. See how mine works? That way you can troubleshoot as you go. You got 10 minutes. On your marks. Get set. Go. I'm going to put it back. I just got to get my George back on. If you're working with someone, it could benefit have them do it, but I didn't talk about it. What do you think, man? Dude, it's cool, right? You see the sports guide? This is what we actually teach in our program. Yeah, so it's 36 weeks long. Hey, how you doing? Good, man. Nice to see you. Yeah, no problem. Beer is amazing. Oh, thanks, man. I really enjoyed it. Cool, thanks. It was such a nice treat being tonight. We are work experience. We're talking about ourselves. Perfect, man. I'm glad to see. I'm excited to hang out afterwards. Yeah, me too.
Some list of
You guys doing all right?
Yeah.
It's like it's not as hard as like picking it up. So
Hey, how's it going? You need some help?
Okay. She's working on downloading a picture.
Okay.